I'm Jack Wilkerson of the Hayden Wilkerson Auction Team. I would personally like to invite you to the annual collector car sale coming up in Decatur, Illinois. Prepare for your numbers or the vehicles or to purchase the vehicles you're after. The team will work hard to sell your automobile. These are classics you will find nowhere else. So if you're a collector or an observer, don't miss the sale. The sale is sponsored by the Chevrolet Hall of Fame Museum. Lavelle Hunt at 217-454-4583 can answer any questions or register you for the sale. Or me, Jack Wilkerson, 217-433-8008. Each year we've sold a charity car for the Habitat for Humanity. This year should be no different. So make sure you're here if you're interested in that one and prepare for it. It's a one-of-a-kind classic car sale. Don't miss it. The Hayden Wilkerson Auction Team has over 150 years of auto auction experience. The team comes from all over the United States. Our team will work hard to get your car sold. For more information, call 217-433-8008.
Sold at 92.5.